Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself wishing you could just focus on your design in Canva without all the extra buttons and distractions, today's tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use full screen mode in Canva so you can preview your work with total clarity and truly see your design the way your audience will. By the end, you'll be able to toggle in and out of full screen like a pro, whether you're presenting to a team, sharing with a client, or simply double-checking final details on your latest project. Let's jump right in. So once you've opened your project in Canva, the first thing you want to do is look around the editor interface. Take a second to notice the layout. At the bottom right corner, you'll spot an icon with two outward-pointing arrows. This is the full screen button, and it's a little like the magic switch that lets you clear away the clutter and give your design the spotlight it deserves. Sometimes the interface can get a bit busy, especially if you're working with a lot of layers or elements, so being able to fill your screen with just your art is a huge help. Don't worry if it takes you a moment to find that icon. It can sometimes blend in with the other buttons, but once you know what to look for, you'll spot it every time. Once you've found that icon, go ahead and click it. You'll notice right away that your canvas expands to fill the entire screen. All the toolbars, menus, and side panels will slide away, leaving you with an uncluttered, distraction-free view of your design. This is really helpful for catching those tiny details you might miss when everything else is crowding your workspace, almost like stepping back to view a painting from across the room. If you're sharing your screen on a video call or prepping for a presentation, this mode also makes sure there's nothing on display except your design, which just looks so much cleaner and more professional. You might be wondering, okay, but how do I get back to normal once I'm done? And Canva makes that easy too. To exit full screen, all you have to do is press the S key on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also move your mouse back down to the same spot where you found the full screen icon in the bottom right. You'll notice that now it says exit full screen. Just click there and you'll return to your standard editing view with all your familiar tools and menus back in place. It's quick and seamless, so don't worry if you need to pop in and out a few times as you work or present. Here's another tip. If you want even more flexibility or you're getting ready to present your design, you can also use Canva's presentation mode. To do this, go to the share button at the top right, select present, and then click present again. This will also show your design full screen, but with a few extra tools for presenting slides or walking an audience through your project. It's a slightly different approach, but it all comes down to giving your design center stage whenever you need it. And that's really all there is to it. Full screen mode in Canva makes it so much easier to review your designs and showcase your hard work. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I love helping you get the most out of your creative tools. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Canva tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.